take another picture.
I'm not. I'm taking a video. Where's your bulldog?
My bulldog.
Woof woof. What?
Why is he? Look at my bulldog. Why is he like that?
What do you mean? Grumpy? I don't know. You tell me why.
Because he's sad.
Why is he sad?
Because he wants a family.
Aww.
Because he doesn't have a family.
Who's gonna be his family?
You.
Me? And who else?
Me.
And who else?
And Dad.
Would you like him to be part of our family?
And Ollie.
Okay. What's his name?
Carlo.
Carlo? Okay.
I'll call him a girl.
Okay.
Or a boy.
Oh boy. Okay.
I won't call him a girl.
Okay. Okay.
Because he's nice and soft. Actually, I'm going to call him Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Gash?
The Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash?
The Rainbow Dash.
Okay.
That is a pretty name.
Sure it is. Sure is. Yeah.
Or I could call him Butterfly.
Does he look like a butterfly to you?
I want him to be a butterfly. I want to call him a butterfly.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Was he a horse?
No. I just ride the dog. Get off all this stuff. Rapunzel! Hurry! He has to hurry because my Garfield's coming to catch her. Hurry! We ran away from her, but now we need to go. Hurry up, Rapunzel. Hurry up. The race is done. It's going to be done before you left her. Be done. Done. We're almost here. Rapunzel, oh, you're in my Garfield. My Garfield's in. Hurry up. She's coming. She's coming. Hurry up. Rapunzel.
Rapunzel, let down your hair. Rapunzel? Rapunzel! Where are you, Rapunzel? Where has she gone? Oh, doesn't she know that Mother knows best? Mommy knows best. Mother knows best.
Rapunzel knows best.
Rapunzel knows best. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Bye-bye, baby.